We have a new song for you now, or relatively new. This is called Dream of Me.
I can't remember, clear sky by a fire and the calm of blue December. I never knew a melody could hit so hard. You and me joined across an ocean, a lifetime underneath us in a single set of motion. I never knew a melody could hit so hard. A missing key to where we belong, hidden in the moonlight, hidden in the midnight sun. A silver bullet when all seemed wrong, hidden in the moonlight, hidden in the midnight sun. Dream of me, then I will dream of you. And though we lie alone, well, the dream is built for two. Dormant in a drawer, gouged out initials in some rotten wooden boards. I never knew a melody could hit so hard. June I hear waltzing in my dreams, ties us all together when we're ripping at the seams. I never knew a melody could hit so hard.